Hey, I'm Greg Gifford, and I'll be presenting at the 19th Digital Dealer Conference in Las Vegas the first week of October. Yes, I'm wearing a Comic-Con t-shirt, but there's a reason that I'm dressed down a bit. Comic-Con is arguably the pinnacle of geek culture in the United States, and my presentation at Digital Dealer will arguably be the pinnacle of geek presentations at the conference. My session is going to be the 6 degrees of local search. And yes, that's a thinly veiled Kevin Bacon reference. Most of you probably know that I always do a movie theme in my presentations. And this time, we're going to go all Kevin Bacon. I'm going to cover the 6 degrees of local search, the 6 areas that you should be concentrating on to boost your local relevancy in Google. I'll cover on-site signals, links, citations, Google My Business listings, reviews, and social media. After pointing out which parts of the 6 areas are most important, I'll show you exactly how to optimize your dealership in each area. This session isn't just for do-it-yourselfers. If you prefer to have a provider take care of things for you, you'll get a solid roadmap of what they should be doing for you. I'll also show you a few simple ways to spot the shady guys so that you can be sure to avoid the jerks who just want to take your money. Make sure you get to my session early. For the last few years, my presentations at Digital Dealer have been standing room only. So if you're late, you're going to have to stand in the back or outside in the hallway. Make sure you come, and I'll see you in Vegas.